We don't see the world as it is. We see the world as we are. So our beliefs are the filters through which we see the world. Sometimes we have the mentality that the beliefs are really stronger than our willpower, our desires, and that's true. That is really true. What are the beliefs? Where are they? Beliefs are deeply formed opinions. You know very well. And these opinions are not based on facts, but they have the ability to guide the decisions through what we see the world. Earlier there was a belief men are better than women, but it was the belief. To stay fit, you need to work out at least for an hour. It was a belief. Whole world is flat. It was a belief. Now you know it's round. Weightlifting is for the men. It was a belief. War is only way to achieve the peace. There was a belief. To get ahead, you need to work out. I do agree, but for getting ahead, along with working hard, you need to work smartly and efficiently. So they are the beliefs, and they used to be earlier. Sometimes what happens, our desires and our willpower, they both are not aligned with the beliefs. In this way, what happens? They both are defeated by our beliefs. So we need to make our desires stronger. We need to make our willpower stronger than our beliefs, because your unconscious beliefs are stronger than your conscious willpower. And once you make your conscious willpower aligned with your unconscious belief, so believe in me, you can win the war. If you lose the battle, there is no any problem, but you are supposed to win the war. And war we can win when we align our willpower, our desires with the beliefs. So this is the perception versus reality. Perception is your awareness, and reality what exists. There is a perception. If you ride the bike at high speed, you will meet with an accident. It's an awareness. Even youth, these people ride the bike at high speed, an accident happens. It is the reality. So this is the topic which I really wanted to share with you. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.